Mary, I need help. I want to buy cereal, but there are so many options.
I know. This aisle is crazy. What kind do you like?
I don't know. Sweet? Healthy? I have no idea.
Okay. Do you want cereal with milk in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like it sweet or not too sweet?
Not too sweet. Maybe with fruit?
Then try this one. It has oats and dried fruit. It is very popular.
Oats and fruit. That sounds good. Is it healthy?
Yes, low sugar, high fiber. Very good for breakfast.
Perfect. But wait, this one has chocolate and this one has honey.
John, put those down.
Right, oats and fruit. I am ready.
Good choice. Let's go before you change your mind.
Too late, I already have the chocolate one.
John.